Addie, what did you do? Say, this toy is for babies. Oh, what's wrong? The tag not taste as good as you expected? Say, Grandma, for Christmas, I just need some tags, please. That's all I need. But some good tasting tags, right? Right, Addie? Edison? Are you trying to read it? Oh no, you're just reading it. You're so silly, Addie. Yeah, you. Addie. Hey. Hi. You see the phone? Say hi. Hi. Grandma's watching you. Grandma's watching you. You got the phone. Addie. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.